Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the hidden menu, open Settings, and go to About Phone. Once there, tap Build number 7 times. Watch for the notification that you are a developer. Make sure to use your lock screen PIN if prompted, because some devices require authentication. Once done, navigate back to Settings. Developer options will appear. You want this enabled first because it exposes the tools we'll use next. Without it, the rest of the steps can't proceed. You should toggle developer options on at the top. That activates the entire panel. Next, enable USB debugging if you plan to use a DB or transfer advanced files. This allows a computer to issue commands. Then, adjust window, transition, and animator animation scales to 0. 5x to speed up the UI. This improves perceived performance. Make sure to read each setting label before changing it, because some switches, like OEM unlock. You're almost done. Test USB debugging by connecting to a trusted computer and running a DB devices, or try a file transfer to confirm access. If you enabled performance tweaks, check app behavior. Make sure nothing malfunctions. If you changed security-related options and feel uncertain, disable OEM unlocking and leave only what you need. If something goes wrong, reboot the device first. Often that clears glitches, and if necessary, reset the single setting you recently changed, rather than toggling everything back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.